Do we have to have a land trust, or can we set that up later? You know, the funny thing, one of the funny things about a trust is most of a trust is private. So your deed will need to reference the trust. In my opinion, it should anyway. It should reference the trust. You can take title in your LLC subject to from your seller or you personally and then deed it to the trust later, but you lose that anonymity that is so important. Subject to and land trust are a perfect combination for total anonymity because let's say, Matt, that you go out and you buy a house with bank financing and you buy it in your own name, okay? Okay, so if anyone does a search for you, there you are. You bought the house. The mortgage is in your name. It's filed at the courthouse as well. So you're on a deed. You're on a mortgage. Well, if you buy a house subject to, your name is never found anywhere. The mortgage is in your seller's name. The deed goes from the seller to the land trust. Matt's nowhere to be found. Even if you took that house you bought at the bank and deeded it from yourself to a trust, there would still be the mortgage filed, okay, that would still be out there. And that's just not the case when you use a trust. Okay, so no, you don't have to use a trust. You can set it up later. Ideally, it'll be set up at the time you purchase.